You're the most amazing mother to our son. I smile every time I see you with him. You're amazing and an absolute natural. I'm so proud of the life we've achieved together and all that is yet to come. You are my rock, my love, and my life. I'll be there for you for your triumphs and losses. I'll always be there for you and for our family. When you're happy or sad, yes, I'll let you run repeats of Lord of the Rings.
I can't imagine a world without you. You make me feel seen, heard and safe in a way I couldn't imagine. Strong as the foundations of the earth and a light when all others go out. No matter what adventures come our way, with you I will always be ready for the next one. My heart is fuller than it has ever been, but it never stops growing with you. And I would rather share one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. I love you.